Hi everyone, Tim from Kangokiwi Education Services here. Writing and listening vocabulary for describing or labelling a floor plan or map. These kind of words can be used in both your academic writing task 1 and also in part 2 of your listening test. So first of all, development and improvement. We have the words refurbishment, revamped, renovation. And there we have 3 example uses of these words. A refurbishment has taken place. After the renovation, considerable improvements can be seen. Okay, now part 2. We've got facing, in the middle or centre of, behind, between, next to. So there again, some example sentences of how you could use these to describe the map, the floor plan, or your way around a map. Okay, the next section, we've got another set of vocabulary words here for you to see, which will be followed by the example sentences. Okay, so I hope you found this interesting. Because of lockdown, obviously we're still doing our online classes and training sessions. So if you want any more information, do contact us. You can also join our Facebook page. And there's the contact details if you want to get in touch with us about any training. And do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.